Nature Valley Soft Baked Breakfast Burrs Banana Chocolate Chip. There's the package that it comes in right there. Here's what it looks like. And when I opened this up, it smelled like banana. It smelled like when I used to be addicted to making banana bread. I used to make banana bread all the time. I haven't done that in a couple of years though. But anyway, got this at Walmart, same price, $3.97. So let's try it out. This is slightly better than the blueberry one I tried out. The blueberry one is dry. This one seems to go down better. I'd still recommend getting a drink, but this one doesn't seem to have the same dryness problem as the other one did. I like the taste. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if there's something in here that makes it taste that way, but there is a kind of a slight chemically taste there. Something I wouldn't associate with either banana or chocolate chip. But it's still okay. It's still good. This one is going to get a 7.5 out of 10 for me. So for Nature Valley Soft Baked Breakfast Bars Banana Chocolate Chip, until next time.